Good morning, children. July 28th is celebrated as a Nature Conservation Day. What is conservation? Saving. Okay, saving the Mother Nature. Behalf of this, we have a small activity to do. Okay, shall we start doing that? Yes. Observe these pictures, children. Whose hands are these? Yes, these are your hands. Tell me one thing, children. Can only one person save the nature? Is it possible to save the nature by only one person? No. Yes? No. It's not possible. Keeping the hands together means everyone should work for it. Then only it is possible. This picture shows that every hand should save the Mother Nature. And look at this picture. Are you able to see the ant here? And it is carrying lot of weight. Yes, it's a small ant, but it is carrying more weight than its weight. Right? This says that everything is possible. Yes, everything is possible. Just now I said only one hand can't save the nature, right? Putting all the hands together can save the nature because you kids are tomorrow's future for saving our Mother Nature. How can you do this? Yes? Yes, we can do this by planting the more plants, to reduce the pollution, and for reducing the global warming. Okay, let us see how you can do this. I have taken a disposable bowl with 3/4 of soil filled in it, children, and I have taken few methi seeds because methi leaves are healthy, are good for health. We can use it in our curries. So I have taken these methi seeds, and this is water to sprinkle, as we should not pour water, we should just sprinkle the water. So I am using this. Now I am going to sprinkle the seeds on the top layer of the soil. I have sprinkled. So I am just sprinkling these seeds. I am just spreading. Okay, I am spreading these seeds. And I am just covering these seeds with lightly with the soil. I am just covering. And I am sprinkling the water. And you can keep a small hole aside in order to move away the excess water and the air to get in. After this, you can keep this bowl in your balcony where the sunlight passes. And after 3 or 4 days, you can see a small plant growing. Everybody try to do this activity at home, children, as it is everybody's responsibility to save the nature, Mother Earth. Okay, so please try to do this activity at home. Thank you.